Hey everyone, welcome back to PeasyMaster. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Roblox you have been kicked for unexpected client behavior, error code 268. First, click the Windows icon, search for Run and open it. Type app data and press enter. Open the local folder. Find the Roblox folder, right-click on it and select Delete. Next, click the Windows icon, search for Command Prompt, right-click it and select Run as administrator. Now type the following commands one by one, pressing enter after each command. Config flushdowns, config release, config renew. After that, reconnect to your Wi-Fi or internet connection. Now click the Windows icon, search for installed apps and open it. Find Roblox, click uninstall and remove it from your PC. Finally, download and install the latest version of Roblox from the official website. Once the installation is complete, launch Roblox and check if the error code 268 has been fixed. And that's it. That's how you can fix the Roblox you have been kicked for unexpected client behavior, error code 268. Like and subscribe to PeasyMaster for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.